All right, Thursday's a wrap. And we had that sell-off that we're looking for. There it is, and it came down. It broke the 8-day moving average. I think we go down a little bit tomorrow too. Actually, I'd like to see it come down around this area right here. So I'm really looking for that 44.73 or so. And if it puts a bottom in there and then takes off, that's a nice lower high. That gives us a nice trend reversal. Um, it could get a little more aggressive, but I think people are into buying stocks these days. We could see 43.99. Very possible. Could get a little bit more aggressive, but I think we're going to find some support around maybe the 44.80 area, the 45.25 area, somewhere around there. I think we should find a little more support and then hopefully move up to some higher highs. But we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. We'll keep our eyes open and just see what it gives us. Like I said, tomorrow's non-farm payroll comes out at 8:30. Watch that; it'll give you a good indication of what the markets are going to do. Bitcoin is doing the same thing for us right now. It's coming down, doing a little retrace, closing up this gap. Actually, you know what? I could see this coming down. Probably around 44,600, and that's going to be a good entry right there. That'll probably do um, a last kiss on this trend and take off. So I'm going to keep my eyes open for that. So everybody, I hope you did well today. Have a good evening and good luck with your trades tomorrow.